Hi, to generate AI wallpaper on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, firstly we need to go in the settings and here scroll on this left side to choose wallpaper and style. Now you can see your preview of your current wallpapers, and to change it you need to go in this option change wallpapers, and then if you scroll a bit you would see this tab create with AI. So from here choose generative. And now you can see some of the pre-installed options on the top and also this option to create something new. So here you can see it by categories, and I chosen this imaginary before, and that is the result, and I'm pretty satisfied with this result. So let's select something new. For example, I want to choose this translucent, so let's tap on it. And now we can also replace those highlighted words. So we can tap on this one and select something else. So for example, let's choose Daisy. And here we got the option to change color. So I'm gonna tap on white and let's select something else. For example, I'm just wanna select peach. And now tap generate. And wait a couple of seconds till AI will be generating your new wallpaper. And that is the results. So here you need to just swipe left to check more options. And if you satisfied, just select any option from the list. Then tap set. And after that, you can choose where you want to apply this wallpaper. To lock screen and home screen, or only to lock screen, or only to your home screen. If you want to select it only to your lock screen, for example, you need to disable home screen by tapping it to remove the check mark. And now tap next button. And here you'll see this preview how it will look on your lock screen. You can of course change the time and the size of the time and its placement like that. You can change its style. Here we got many options. Of course, you can change the color right here in this tab like that. You can add some widgets, and if you're satisfied with the changes, just tap this done button. And now changes are applied to lock screen, so let's check it. I'm gonna lock my device and now unlock it. And here is my new wallpaper, which is generated by AI. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.